The biggest content changes already happening in 2026. These are very crucial because without this, you will be just stuck behind in content. Quality over quantity will be more saturated in 2026. The only exception is if you're a beginner on social media and your profile is new. Then quantity is recommended. It's always good to post more, because logically, if one video gets at least 5k views and you post 5 of them, you get 25k views. But if you're already established and you have a large following, you need to focus more on quality and building a brand recognizability. Because today everything looks the same. Literally, every other creator you see is identical. They don't have anything special. Only a few stand out because they have the right branding that makes their content recognizable. By recognizable, I mean visuals, various backgrounds, the way of speaking, value, clothing, colors, etc. So the next thing, editing style comes and goes. Everyone is trying to stand out with an unique editing style. And at the end of the day, it all looks the same, bro. That's why you must have something that 90% don't have. And that's the way you can have better conversions with less than 5k followers than someone with 500k followers. Because you're unique. People recognize your style and image, not your follower count. As you can see here, I've been posting some pretty valuable talking head videos. I posted like 4 a day, but this one that was more quality made with better lighting, better setup, better storytelling in general, of course, performed much better. As you can see here, 70,000 likes, 2,000 comments, and 360,000 views instead of 4k, 7k, 5k, 6k. Even though these are very good for authenticity, you'll have much better time with the quality content. With hour or two more put in, you will gain more views and more credibility and more respect from people, of course, because you're putting energy in your content and they will see it, they will feel it. The first big change in 2026 for content. Let's go to the second one. Nano influencers are the gold mine. Nano influencers are the influencers from 5 to 50,000 followers. They're the main growing force in 2026. Whether you're a nano influencer yourself or you hire a nano influencer for ads, projects, or similar collaborations. Why are they better than big influencers? They're better because they're not expensive when it comes to hiring them for advertising, for projects, or similar work. They also have a huge potential to become massively popular, which puts you in a position you can't even imagine. It happened personally to me. I've been reaching out to nano influencers a long time ago and they're big now, so they are really helping my business to grow. When you find a nano influencer for your business, you were actually the first to spot them, among the first to hire them and pay them, and they'll always keep you close as one of their main options for business collaboration, which puts you in a great position. I leveraged that myself. I've been reaching out to nano influencers before and they're big now, so they're by my side, so I can text them whenever I want and they'll make an amazing promotion for my business. And you make an amazing relationship with them when you find them when they were not that popular. And if you're a nano influencer yourself in 2026, you can definitely expect the large number of businesses that will want to contact you and work with you. They'll offer you various amounts of money and you'll truly be able to earn well from it. These are just brand deals. This is where the real money is for nano influencers. The biggest earnings come from the fact that nano influencers are more active with their followers, easier to reach, and in general more trusted by people, which means they can easily sell info products, digital products, or physical products and make money from them. So this is the big change in 2026. Use nano influencers if you're a business or if you are a nano influencer. Leverage that and make money with it. Next big content change in 2026, it was already happening in 2025, but it will get more popular in 2026. Niching down wins. What do I mean by niching down? It means you base your content strictly on what you do. You don't post random content. Everything you share is strictly related to the niche you're in. I've seen this personally with other people. Some of them don't even have 3k followers, but they're so deeply focused on their niche that the content they post is shown strictly to people who are interested in that topic, and they earn thousands of dollars even though they have under 5k followers. This type of posting brings fewer views but massive results. Because again, it is being shown to people in that specific niche who are genuinely interested in that topic. And because of that, you'll appear more and more in front of them over time. As they keep seeing you, they'll trust you even more. And it will be much easier for you to sell a product and make money from the niche you focus on. As you can see here, Nick Setting. I'm sure some of you know who is Nick Setting. He's strictly in his niche about brand growth and content creation and his funnels. So he made his funnel and he's selling that to businesses. He's strictly in his niche and he gained over 110,000 followers by only focusing on his niche. He's not posting travels, he's not posting his family, he's not posting some fun content. He's only posting client testimonials. He's posting only value on his profile. And when you come to his Instagram profile, you will only see value about your content, about your business. And he's strictly into that and nothing else. And because of that, he managed to make so many qualified followers that he makes over $300,000 a month. So that's the power of niching down. He targeted specific people he wants to show his content to, and he makes 10 to 20K per one client. And that's what it means when you niche down. He literally has a one link on his profile that leads to his YouTube channel, and he makes so much money because he only niched down and has a proper funnel structure. The funnel structure is for another video, but niching down is massive when it comes to making money online. And the visuals, very important change in 2026. 80% watch without the sound. I heard this very recently and I was shocked, man. Like 85% watch without the sound. And I thought for a second and I was like, bro, I also watch reels without the sound. Whenever I'm in the public, I scroll reels without sound. So that's why you need to make visuals. Great visuals that catch attention. So that means 85% of them decide to stay and watch your videos based on how appealing your visuals are. So what counts as visuals in your content? It is background, subtitles in the video, very important, camera angles, dynamic effects, and more and more and more. So much visuals. You just need to be creative and make something unique that nobody actually have seen before. And here again, differentiation is the key. The more unique your combination of visuals is, the more people will recognize and remember you. But of course, this was not everything that is coming in 2026. This was only the part 1. But if you want to see the part 2, go subscribe. I'm publishing it very soon. And you can prepare to skyrocket your business in 2026. If you want me and my team to skyrocket your business, go on the first link in the description, book a call with us, and we'll make sure you set up your content creations correctly and your whole page and your whole business so you make more money, of course.